not sure if there is any better way to wake up in the morning and have a view like this, sporting some new bathrobes that are just so comfy. And that's very wet. We do have a little bit of coffee. I think just because of the scenery, that's probably the best sip of coffee I've ever had. So we are now no longer on the boat, and we are spending our last night here in Bora Bora at the Four Seasons. And what do you think so far?
Oh, man. Well, you know, they say that money can't buy happiness, but it can buy you a bungalow in French Polynesia overlooking the most pristine water. So I think maybe it can buy happiness.
Oh my God. Today is our last day in paradise. To say that this trip was the trip of a lifetime would be a gross understatement. And every time we put ourselves in situations like this and we travel like this, we're reminded of why we do what we do and the endless beauty that exists in the world. Traveling is education, traveling is freedom, it is inspiration, it's friendship, community, companionship. It's all those things and then more. And what we are trying to do with these videos and this channel is to just show a glimpse into that part of the world and inspire you to take that same jump, to go find those friendships, even if it feels uncomfortable, even if it's across the world or in your own backyard. It's all of those moments that just make traveling that much sweeter. I don't know where this vlog will end. I don't know what we have planned for today, but if it were to end right here, I think I'd be pretty okay with it.